Yo, what it do, everybody? We are here. Wanted to make this quick video for guys. I've been holding on to this Back to the Future memorabilia box for a while. And I think it's time to open it. What it do? Alright, what it do, guys? Let's open this thing up, man. This thing's still sealed. I haven't opened it up. D bought this for me a couple of weeks ago, almost a month ago. It looks like this huge memorabilia pack for big Back to the Future fans, and I believe it's mostly like it's a lot of documentation and cool stuff. Now we get to find out what's actually in it, because I don't really even know. My first time opening. First of all, the tin is, it's a cool tin. Look at this, how cool it is. The Doctor Collection. Look at that. You see that? Yeah. There it is. Doctor Collection. Back to the Future time travel memories. Let's open this thing up. Been wanting to open this thing up for a while. Let's do this. Let's do it. Oh man, I don't even know how much this thing was. She didn't even tell me. Oh look, the box is different. Had this over it. Time travel memories. You could 18 days have passed for Marty McFly between October 25th, 27th, 1985. This is the madness of time travel. This box contains the memories that Marty collected during his time travels to 1955, to 2015, 1885, and even to a parallel 1985, reminding him that his time adventure with Doc was real. What? 1.21 gigawatts! Let's open this thing, dude. Get this out of here. All right, let's get in here. It's a nice little tin. Open it up. What we got in here? What's this? Is there something missing out of here? Uh-oh. Flux capacitor, perhaps? Missing out of here? What? Can you guys see the picture? Like, oh, that is so cool. It's the photograph he's looking at when he's in the alternate 1985, 1955, I'm sorry. Look at the brother and sister like appearing, disappearing. Oh, that's so cool. That's dope. Can you see that? Oh, they're there. They're gone. They're there. They're gone. Oh no. Cool. What's this? Dear David and Linda, if you're reading this, it's probably because I haven't been home in a while. But I don't worry. Just because I'm not here now doesn't mean that you won't see each other again in the future. I am not likely traveling back in time with Doc, and we've had a problem that prevents me from returning to the present. I'm always told that time travel is so heavy that you always treat me like a, can read that, madman. But if Doc and I hadn't traveled to the past and the future, our several occasions, their dad would be 6 feet under right now. Biff would be our stepfather. Junior and Marlene would be with
today, Junior.
And you two would be living, and it's hard to read, hitting the bottle. Due to the worst case scenarios, you and Dad wouldn't even have fallen in love, and we would have vanished from existence. What is this letter from to Dave and Linda? It's a letter he wrote to his brother and sister. That is crazy. Someone had erased from us from my photograph. I'm not going to give you my my spread again. I don't know. I don't believe, and don't believe me. But as we sound, there are two things that Marty McFly will never be: a liar or a chicken. What's in the box will blow your mind. And I'll keep memories of my travels to 1985, 1985, and 2015. Pictures, tickets, maps, souvenirs. Oh, this is like a letter he's writing to you, but David Lynn. It's like a letter he's writing to his brother and sister that are here. That is very cool. Biff built after facility. I even keep a coin from the casino that that jerk Biff built after stealing the DeLorean from us. Your brother in time, Marty. That is cool. It's like a personalized letter to us. Kinda. That's cool. So what else do we get in here? We get a out of time, used up, rusted license plate. That's dope. Look, it's all messed up in the corners too. That's cool. Dang, I like that. I'm putting this up on my wall. You also get, shut up, Blast from the Past 2015, 10 years bringing the past into the future. It's a sports almanac. Are you kidding me? It's the sports almanac. It's something in here. Look, we just broke the seal on this sucker. It's the bag for the sports almanac. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff and goodies he put in here for us. There's the bag. So there's the bag right there. Isn't that cool? That is such a cool bag. I like the how it shines like this, like it kind of like it did. That's cool. Can I hold on to the bag? I'm putting this on my car for sure. Mr. Fusion Home Energy Reactor sticker. Keeping that. That's for me. What is this? It's like, oh, Cafe 80s coaster. What? The Cafe 80s coaster. Look, it's animated. Keeping that. Oh, the receipt for the almanac. Gray's almanac. He paid $29 for it. Taxes $3.19. He paid $32.19 for this. And here's the receipt to prove it. We have the receipt. What else did he send us? He sent us a advertisement that he tore out of a magazine. Look, the pitbulls on the back for the hoverboard for kids. Now with removable scooter handlebars. This is the one he wrote. Look at it. It's cool how he tore it out. He tore it out of a magazine. Mattel's new hoverboard pitbull. That's dope. I have all these in a toy. Maybe I'll open those in a future video. That's cool. Oh, that is so cool. What else we got? Oh, holographic map of Hill Valley with Goldie Wilson Jr. as the mayor. That is cool. Come back soon. Oh, you can see it's like a 3D little map. Oh, that is cool. You probably can't see it on your end, but it looks 3D when you look at it like this straight on. And Hill Valley. That's so cool. I'm keeping this. It's all for me. What is this? Oh, this is all stuff I'm gonna hang up. Oh, there's no way I can just put this back in the box. What? Advertisement. A taste of the 80s. Tower of Love with fresh lettuce. More than a burger. It's the Tower of Love. That's the power of love. Get it? Welcome to the Cafe 80s, where it's always morning in America, even in the afternoon. That's so cool. Oh, what the? He even kept this. He kept the fax that came in. Read my fax. You're fighting. Because of this, he learned not to lose his cool when people call him chicken. That goes a lesson for all you people, too. Don't be losing your shizzle for people calling you a chicken nizzle. I thought he was going to send us the almanac, but of course he wouldn't send you the almanac because it ruined his future. Why would he send it to you? To ruin your future? No. He's smart. They destroyed it. It got destroyed, so there's no way he could have sent it to you. Got another bag. Twin Pines Mall. What? Hill Valley 1985. This is from 1985. Oh, so we just opened all of the 2015 stuff. So here's all the 1985 documentation. Gotta be careful with these guys. Oh, I ripped the bag. No, I ripped the bag. Oh no, I ripped the bag. Bad. I didn't want to rip the bag. Twin Pines Mall, Hill Valley, California. Let's see what they sent us in this one. The bag in itself is a collector's item of its own. That's cool. Put this bag over here. Start with all the pins. He sent us some pins. Re-elect Mayor Goldie Wilson, 1985, honesty, decency, and integrity.
Re-elect Mayor Goldie Wilson. Progress is his middle name.
It's the mayor. The mayor. That's dope.
Mayor.
I like that. Then we got another pin right here. Oh, this one's cool. Save the clock tower. That one crazy lady was wearing this on her shirt.
Save the clock tower! Save the clock tower!
Save the clock tower. We need donations to save the clock tower. I'm gonna start wearing all this stuff on on Halloween, man. See? Save the clock tower. Please make donations to the Hill Valley Preservation Society. If the whole article's here, we could read the whole article. Hill Valley Telegraph. I wonder if Jennifer's number's on the back of this. Shut up, it is. 555-4823. I'm calling that number, yo.
That's the power of love.
And then what else we got? We got a... Oh, look, Biff Tannen Casino chip. That's pretty cool. That's cool. I like that. Make sure this focus is right on this Biff Tannen coin right here. Look at that, guys. You guys see that? That's dope. These are the pins he wears on his jean jacket. He sent you one. Cool. Dr. Emmett Brown Enterprises, 24-hour scientific services. 916-555-4385. I'm also calling that number.
Doc? Don't say a word.
It's 1646 Riverside Drive, Hill Valley, California. Look, there's his address right there. What else did he send us? Marty McFly's tardy slip from that one day. Slacker! Slacker!
Eat less slackers!
Oh, a bookmark from his dad's book. The most exciting book of the year. George McFly, A Match Made in Space. This is cool. This is very cool. And then we have a Hill Valley downtown map. He also sent us a map from that time. Very cool. What's on the back of this? Twin Pines Mall. It's all like 80s, so it's all like showing up in Elite Barbershop, Cupid's, all the stores that were there, the parking lot. It goes through everything and shows you all the stores in there. Cool. So we get a map from every time. And of course, do not open until 1985. Since we're in 2023, let's open this thing. Is it really in here? Shut up, it's in here. The letter's in here. What else? That's it. The thick envelope. Lou's Cafe. He writes, Dear Dr. Brown, on the night that I go back in time at 1:30 a.m., you will be struck by you will be shot by terrorists. Please take whatever precautions are necessary to prevent this terrible disaster. Your friend, Mark. Oh, that's cool. He sent the letter. And now we got one more piece of documentation ready to go. 1955. Oh, and 1885. We got two more pieces of documentation. Look, here's 1955. What else is in here? All kinds of stuff. You gotta start organizing this stuff. Might lose it. All right, what else we got in here? Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Let's start with a picture of the hottest mom in the world. What it do, Lorraine? Here's her prom picture. Cool. Enchanted Under the Sea dance flyer. Remember, Saturday night, yo, Saturday night. Oh, cool, 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 cool. I like this. Hill Valley 1955 Visitor's Guide. Shut up. Live in the home of tomorrow. Today. We get a map. And we do. We get another map of Hill Valley. That's cool. You get a map of every Hill Valley in every single time zone. Or time. Time. What else is in this? Lou's Cafe. I like this. I like this postcard. Oh, it's his menu. It's Lou's Cafe's menu. He took the menu from Lou's Cafe. There it is. There's his menu right there. What else? What did he have? Hamburgers were 25 cents. Bacon burger was 35 cents. Oh, dope. It's got a little coffee stain on it. That's cool. And of course, we've got the infamous drawing of Doc's flux capacitor. Flux compression. I don't know what that means. Let's write that down. All right, now we're onto the bottom. Now, 1885. Documentation. Hill Valley Telegraph. Ooh, it's got an even older envelope. Got an old documentation. Oh, the photo with the changing tombstone. Tombstone? No tombstone. Tombstone? Emmett Brown? Oh, it does 3. Emmett Brown, no tombstone, and then a tombstone still says here lies a blank. That's cool. What else do we get? Oh, we get maps. Oh, shut up. I'm gonna put this up in my house. Reward $5,000 for the return and dead or alive. Buford Mad Dog Tannen. Immediately contact the nearest U.S. Marshal's office. James Strickland. Slacker. That's cool. That's you get that. You get that wanted poster. Once again, we get another map. Yeah. Welcome to Hill Valley, the land of tomorrow. Railroad station tells everything. It tells you where everything's at in this particular time. 1885 map. That's cool. So we got that. And then what is this? Is it like a bigger map? I can't even put it on the screen. Oh, we took the stuff he sent Marty. Map to the time machine. Whoa, that is cool. It even shows you what the ELB. DeLorean is concealed in cavern and covered with animal skins, cured in 80% concentrate. Dude, he put everything in here. Yards to the tunnel fork. Take 5 paces back and look for Marty. Marty caved. Look for Marty caved at an ag level. That's crazy. Dude, you can't even make it fit in here. It doesn't even fit in here. It doesn't even fit in here. That is so cool. I have so much stuff going on here. I couldn't possibly do another video, but I have something going on for the next one. That is so cool. I really enjoyed opening this. This has got so much cool souvenirs from the past, from the future, and from the present. So much. I have another one that I haven't opened up. I'm gonna open up this next time. Next video, I actually have the almanac. We'll actually open up the almanac on the next video. We'll do that for the next one. But if it's your first time checking out D&Me and Kidult TV and one of these videos, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to D&Me and Kidult TV. Get you notified. Hit that bell. That's right. Whenever we post another video. But from D&Me and Kidult TV, we'll see you guys all on the next unboxing video. What it do, everybody?